Hello friends, welcome to Lucky Gate. It is a question in GATE 2017 asked from the subject Discrete Mathematics, a subtopic called Mathematical Logic, asked for 1 mark. Here the question is, let PQR denote the statements it is raining, the P is called it is raining, Q is called it is cold, and R is called it is pleasant respectively. Then the statement, what is the statement given here? I'm writing clearly. It is not raining and it is pleasant and it is not pleasant only if it is raining and it is cold is represented by. Friends, it is a simple way of representing this statement using a mathematical logic. Now it is raining. It is raining is at word. It is raining is representing with P. If it is not raining is represented with negation P. Okay, because raining is P, not raining is called negation P. And that and is represented with a conjunction, and here I am writing each one clearly. It is pleasant. Pleasant is called R. This is R, and is represented with conjunction. It is not pleasant. Not pleasant is represented with negation R. Only if we represent with implies, that is implies conditional operator. It is raining. Is P and conjunction. It is cold Q. Now if you collectively put all at in a proper way, it gives you the mathematical logic expression, that is negation P and R, and it is not pleasant, that is negation R, only if means we used implies. It is raining and it is cold means P and Q. This is a mathematical logic statement which is representing it is not raining and it is pleasant, and it is not pleasant only if it is raining and it is cold. Now this is a statement. Now this statement is matching with which option? Check it. Now option A says negation P and R, and negation R implies P and Q. This is matching with my answer. So answer for this question is option A. Now you check what that option B says. Negation P is nothing but it is not raining. Okay, the first part is correct. And R, what is R? It is pleasant. Means this first part of the B option says it is not raining and it is pleasant, and it says P and Q. What is P? It is raining and it is cold, right? It is raining and it is cold. But what is the statement given? It is not pleasant, but it is given raining and cold. This is incorrect representation. So option B is incorrect. Look for options. Negation P and R, and negation P and R says it is not raining and it is pleasant. But because R says na, this R is representing it is not raining and it is pleasant, R it says. But what is given in the statement? And given. That's why option C is incorrect. Look for option D. Negation P and R, it says it is not raining and it is pleasant. This R says this is a disjunction operator. We call it is R, but in the statement given and. So that's why option D is also incorrect. Now what is the correct answer for this question? Option A. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.